Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting core sources and deciding scope. Why this matters is simple: it shapes synthesis. Start with RBI reports, budget highlights, and the economic survey. Skim to note key themes. Once done, extract definitions, dates, and cause-effect chains. Make short headings for each topic and create a running index. Use a consistent note template now: topic, source, summary, implications, so you can rapidly revise and cross-reference later without wasting time. Once you have raw material, convert it into structured notes. This is where depth emerges. You condense each topic into 1 to 2 page summaries, adding short examples and 2-3 implications for policy. Make tables for variables and annotate any graph with source and observation date. Connect cause and effect explicitly: why a policy changed inflation and what followed. Then, create quick recall cues and 5-7 argument bullets you can deploy in answers or interviews. You finish by refining and testing your notes. Practice makes them exam-ready. Do timed mock answers using your summaries and update any statistics or policy changes each week. Once done, convert weak sections into focused one-page revisions. If you find contradictions or gaps, make a short gap list and cross-check with the latest RBI press releases or budget notes. One key troubleshooting tip: when facts conflict, prioritize primary sources and annotate the discrepancy so you resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.